Welcome back to our 30-day video series for UPSC, EG, and NEET aspirants. In today's video, we'll explore the power of effective revision strategies and how they can supercharge your exam preparation. Revision plays a crucial role in consolidating your knowledge, reinforcing concepts, and boosting your exam performance. Let's dive into some valuable tips and techniques to help you make the most of your revision sessions. Students need to review their notes and using active recall techniques. First, let's discuss the importance of effective revision. Solidify understanding. Revision helps solidify your understanding of concepts and topics. It allows you to revisit and reinforce the information you've learned, filling any gaps in your knowledge. Enhance retention. Regular revision enhances your long-term retention of information. By reviewing key concepts at spaced intervals, you improve your ability to recall and apply them during exams. Student using different revision techniques, such as flashcards or summarizing information. Now, let's explore some techniques for effective revision. Spaced repetition. Space out your revision sessions over time rather than cramming all at once. This technique optimizes memory retention by reviewing information at increasing intervals. Active recall. Engage in active recall by testing yourself on the information you've learned. Use flashcards, practice questions, or teach the material to someone else. This technique strengthens your understanding and helps you retrieve information when needed. Students need to organize their revision schedule and creating a plan. To make the most of your revision sessions, consider incorporating these strategies. Prioritize important topics. Identify the high-weightage topics or areas where you need more practice. Allocate more revision time to these areas while ensuring you cover all subjects and topics. Break down complex information. Break down complex information into manageable chunks. Summarize key concepts, create visual aids, or use mnemonic devices to simplify and remember complex information. Students need to practicing active revision by teaching concepts to a study group or recording themselves explaining topics. Additionally, consider these tips to optimize your revision process. Utilize technology. Leverage educational apps, online platforms, or digital tools to enhance your revision process. Use interactive resources, video tutorials, or online quizzes to reinforce your understanding. Create a supportive environment. Find a quiet and comfortable study space where you can focus without distractions. Minimize interruptions and create a positive atmosphere that promotes concentration and productivity. By practicing these techniques, student appears confident and engaged, actively reviewing and applying revision techniques. By incorporating these effective revision strategies into your exam preparation, you'll consolidate your knowledge, improve your retention, and increase your chances of success in the exams. If you have any questions about effective revision strategies or need guidance on how to optimize your revision sessions, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss the benefits of practicing mock tests and online quizzes to assess your readiness for the exams.